Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download Revanced Manager app. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the browser of your choice. So right here, you just have to type in Revanced Manager APK. Click on the first website here. So you're going to see the latest version and the download sign there. Just click on it. Confirm you want to download. So it's going to take a few time. You just have to allow it to download to your device. So the next thing you have to do is to click on the open option here. Click on the install in order to install it to your device. So it's going to take a few time. You just have to allow it to install to your step you can take is to click on the open option. So from here you just have to grant the permissions, allow from this source. Okay, you also grant permission. You also grant permission for notifications, so I always get notified if there's any message from Revanced Manager. Okay, you can also let app run in the background, though I don't want to, so you can just skip for now. Skip anyway. So the next step you can take here is to configure automatic update to keep manager and patch up to date. So you just click on the next option here. So from this section you can patch your app or skip for now and maybe later you patch. So guys, that is it on how to install Revanced Manager on your Android device. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.